Ashley Camber here. Welcome back. I am so excited to share my latest decor and DIYs with you. I love the month of February, partially because it's my birthday month and partially because I love Valentine's Day. I mean, who doesn't love love?
Oh, this is just too much fun. Please watch part 1 and part 2.
My grandma always said, close your eyes and feel my hug. I have loved being able to display this sign as a gift from my mother, so I moved it from my front entryway.
That could be a fun seasonal spot to rotate new stuff in. That would be great.
The next DIY I am so excited to share is a modern cactus terrarium turned mini zen succulent garden. This sign, live in the moment, means so much to me, and when I saw it, I knew that I had to have it. Again, something that I could make myself, but I loved the colors and I just really thought that it would be a great visual reminder throughout my home. Luckily, I can see it from multiple places in my house. Then this piece of art is something that I created a while back, and if anyone is ever interested in a tutorial on that, I'm happy to share. As part of reclaiming my office space, I am so excited to add more feminine touches. So when I saw this at IKEA, I knew that I needed this pillow cover. If you're interested in more of my IKEA faves found throughout my home, stay tuned for an upcoming video. Now, initially I placed this white pillow here. I just flipped over an existing pillow and then I remembered I wanted to make this DIY. If you want to see how I made this and how I managed to skip over the one spot that had a little stain on it, here we go. While I did this craft, I was listening to The Bachelor. Any other fans out there?
I see a sky with a reindeer car, but I'm not running.
I do.
Why?
I care so much about you and care about like us, and I just feel like I need to be given that chance. I don't know what's going to happen tonight, but I'm going to keep pushing. I'm not going to give up on us. I'm going to fight so hard because Peter's worth it. Our love's worth it. And I know I'm worth it.
If you're not already following me on Instagram, I'd love it if you head over there and follow me at My Life Space Moments. I love to do stories and I love to show behind the scenes sneak peeks. Here's a little footage I shot while getting ready for this DIY. I found it kind of interesting. It seems to be kind of a charming table runner for an ice cream party. I know that sounds funny.
I move at the speed of light, and this is something I wouldn't dare.
As the acrylic paint dries, it will actually seep through the iron-on print, so you won't actually have to worry about cleaning off the excess as I tried.
Right behind you like a drum in the sky.
You look so beautiful.
Then I ironed it quick to smooth it out a bit.
Just like a stranger trying to let you in.
And here is the final result. like melted ice cream. So funny. This chair is such a gem to me. It will always remind me of a time that my mom and I went to First Fridays in Kansas City.
This was a really exciting discovery when I realized I could just slip this sheepskin underneath this railing of my thrift store find. And then I decided I would just use one of those stick-it things from classrooms and then just slide that in there. If I ever change my mind, this will be easy enough for me to just swap back out. I'll simply take off the stick-it piece, and then I will still have the sheepskin and the chair will be perfectly unmarred. Easier said than done. So I secured it all the way to the edge, and then I am just going to push it on with all my might. Might work better to do this upside down, but there we have it. Now the side will not show for me, so that won't matter because all of the office is seen from this angle.
And here is the after. What do you think? This is a really quick DIY. Just use some spray paint and touch up an old rocking chair.
I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone.
Coming up, I'm going to show you how I did a pour on top of this clock. Then a way to zhuzh up your gifts. And ways to incorporate your children into the fun.
Where's he? There you are.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I'm golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me.
I just got back from a date with my son and we had the best time. First off, he chose to go to IKEA. He enjoyed Smallland for an hour. Wow. And then when we caught back up, we picked out pegboards to line our craft room. These will provide incredible storage solutions for so many different items. Yay! We are going to transform this craft room. It is the coolest. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. When is tomorrow? When do we hang things?
Sure hope you stick around. XO, XO, Ashley Camber.
And I love you so much!
Oh, yes. You have pretty ones too. Pretty? Oh, so pretty. Good singing.
All right, every imperfect experimenter is going to have an occasional experiment dud. Am I right? Well, this was a fail. First off, I had my camera focused on the foreground instead of the background, so there's that. Also, I used a hot pink spray paint to cover up this watering can ceramic vase that I had received years ago. I thought, hey, how about I make my own selection of flowers and use these heart picks and make my first floral arrangement ever in life. Let's just say my Grandma Helen would not be proud. It was worth trying, and, you know, it gives me the confidence to try again because I know that I can do better. Definitely can do better. But I think that it's helpful for me if I am embracing imperfections, I need to show you the experiments in imperfection as well. Oh hey, would you like to subscribe to explore more? I'll be here. Thanks for watching.